Puppy kitty. There's Michelle's babies. Hey, Michelle. Hey, kitties. Hey, Michelle. Bye, kitties. Bye-bye. Go out to the chicken house and see the dog. Hi, Jasper. Hi, Jasper. What are you tangled up around now, huh? Are you tangled up again, as usual? Huh? Aunt Geraldine's barn. Just gonna go up there, play with my kitties and the horses and everything. So I'll be up there in a second. In the barn. That's Nate. Hi, Nate. Hi, Spot. Ah. Hi, puppies. Hi, Obelisk. What are you getting all upset about? Hi, Damascus. There's Nate again. Hi, Nate. Hi, Nate. Hi, Nate. Hi. There's Nate. His nose. Nate. And that's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Okay, Sarah's ignoring me. There's Magic. Magic needs to have her baby. When are you gonna have your baby, Magic? Hmm? Mrs. Nada. And her baby Naughty. Hi, Naughty. Hi, Naughty. She's naughty because she came in the middle of the night when no one was here. So she's naughty. And this is Katrina. She's my girl. Hi. How's my girl, huh? And then this is Miracle. Hi, Miracle. Hi, Obelisk. Hi, Miracle. And then this is Sweet Pea, and she's kind of mean sometimes. Hi, Sweet Pea. Let's see if she'd be nice. Hi, Sweet Pea. Yeah, be nice. Oh, Naughty, are you making a mess? And then these are the puppies. One of them's Snelma and one of them's Louise, and I don't know which one's which, but they're puppies. And then over here's my kitties. Hi, kitties. Hi, little ones. Yeah. Farm, they have ducks. It's quack, 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 and then that the puppies are making barking noises. Whack, 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 whack. Whack, whack, whack. There's all the duckies out running around, playing, and Old MacDonald's farm goes on. Let's see, what's next? Next is the billy goat. Okay. There's the billy goat. Hi, billy goat. There we go. There's another piece of Old MacDonald's farm. Yep. Okay. Let's see. And there's still more. As soon as I take us out on a wide angle here. Meh. Ow! That was my hand, puppy. And let's see. And then we have bunnies. Bunnies. Take the cages. The bunnies. There's one of them. And there's the other one right there. Ah, I'm being attacked. Back. Down. So there's the bunnies. And that's all of Old MacDonald's farm. I'm sure I've made you quite dizzy by now. This is their land. I'm gonna put a house out here somewhere. I don't know where. Then I can go back inside the barn and play. See who's in there to play with. Go underneath the rope. Yeah. There's Spot. Hi, Spot. Hi, Spot. Well, it's Spot. And there's Nate again. Give me kisses. Oh, that's the camera. Oop. That's Nate's nose. Give me a kiss. Okay, don't. And then there's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi. Hi, Sarah. Bye, Sarah. Let's go see Damascus. Damascus! Hey. Hey, come here. Hi. Damascus likes to lick me and stick my hand in his mouth. Ew. Yuck. What's the matter, Nate? Huh? What? What's your matter? Huh? Huh? Oh! There's your nose again. There's your nose again. Nate likes to lick me too. Yuck. Don't lick me. I don't want your horse slobber all over me. There's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hey, Magic. When are you gonna have your baby, huh? Oh. Sniff my camera. Everybody sniffs my camera. Don't. There's Naughty. Hi, Naughty. Hi, naughty.
No, hey. Watch it. Watch it.
Hey, Nada. I'm gonna go play with my kitties now. I'm gonna go play with my kitties.
One has escaped. Where'd she go, Mama, huh?
There she is.
Kelly, what are you doing? Kelly! What are you doing?
Hi there, Butterscotch. Hi, Butterscotch. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You gonna go play? You gonna go play?
What are you doing? Huh? What are you two doing, baby? Come here. Baby kitty. There's Callie. Callie. Come here. Ah. Come up here with your brother and sister.
There we go.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Petunia. I don't know why they named you that. It's a flower. You don't look like a flower to me. Like a mama kitty. Uh-oh.
Happy family.
And of course, they're trying to figure out why I put them up on the hay bales, but other than that, they're quite a happy family.
Let's see what else we can do. I'm trying to see how long this battery will last. Hi, Sweet Pea. Naughty. Naughty. Hi, Naughty.
Hi. Are you gonna try and eat my shirt? Huh? No eating my shirt.
Hey, Nada.
Hi. Hi, Naughty. What are you doing, Naughty? Hey, Magic. Do you like the rest of this hay? Oops. I just stepped on somebody. Yeah, it's warm today. Ugh. What are you two doing? What are you two doing?
Hi, Katrina. How's my girl, huh? How's my girl? There's Katrina's nose and the side of her face. Check on my babies. I don't want them falling down a hole. Well, I see one kitty. Where's the others? Where's your other kitties? Well, I better find them. Better find them. Bye-bye, kitties. Bye, Callie. Baby's playing with your mama's tail. Oh, Callie is. Those two are playing together. Hey, I feel you down there. Get off my shoe. Get off my shoe. Ah! Callie, did you fall? They're playing. What are you guys doing? Huh? Hi. You coming into the horse stall?
Hi, Nada. How you doing? Bye, Nada. Oh, that's magic. You're magic. You're magic. Ah! There's Katrina. Puppy, you're loud. You're loud. I know. Magic, you got my camera. Don't know what I'm taping anymore. Ah, get away, puppy. Probably just see her chest, don't you? Maybe. But leave it there long enough, she'll sniff at it or something, I'm sure. Oh, there she is. Hi, Magic. Hi there. What are you doing? Chewing on me. Are you chewing on me? Don't chew on me. Hi, Naughty. What are you doing? Have you got an itch? Want some help? Itch, itch. Itch, 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 itch. Oh, oh, itches. Well, I think my kittens are up to something. There go see kitties. There's Mama and Callie and Baby. And Butterscotch is right there. There he goes. He's gonna go to his mama. He's going to his mama. I think. Maybe not. They're all playing over there. They're having fun. Mama's trying to clean them. Hi, baby. Hi, Callie. Oh, it's so hard to tell which one I'm looking at through this viewfinder. Hi, baby. I think. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I'm surprised Naughty hasn't come and attacked me yet. Where is Naughty? No, Naughty's over there with the puppies. Let's go inside. Got an itch, baby? You got an itch, Naughty? Huh? I'm gonna come inside. I'm gonna come inside. My kittens. The kittens are over there. Oh, hi, Naughty. My kittens are over there. What? You need an itch? Got an itch? Hi, Nada. Hi, Nada. What's the matter, Naughty? Hi, Nada. What? What do you want, Naughty? Hi. There's a kitty. I'm scratching Nutty's rump. Oh, she likes that. Oh. Ah. Hi, Nada. Yes, oh, you're gonna come right over here, huh? What have I got? Sniff, sniff. Huh? What have I got? Is it a camera? Is it a camera? Huh? Miracle! Quit spilling your water, Miracle. You're not gonna have any water left pretty soon, and then what are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do when you run out of water? Huh? Have you spilled it all yet? Have you spilled it all yet? Huh? 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 Goofball. You goofy horse. Hi, Butterscotch. Hi, Butterscotch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Naughty, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Now they're telling us that those eastbound lanes have been shut down, but now one is getting through. But if you could avoid that area, you probably really should. Northbound I-35 south of 75th Street, we have an accident there. An injury accident at 51st and Truce.
You're looking at putting a nest up there.
Northbound I-35 at Lamar.
Yeah.
Except that
I don't know.
lane is open, so it shouldn't cause you any problems this afternoon.
Hey, my kitty.
Skyside traffic, 61 Country.
Hey, my kitty. What you doing, kitty? Hey, kitty, kitty. Hi. Hi, Callie. Hi, Callie. What are you doing, Callie?
Partly sunny this afternoon, 74. Partly cloudy tonight. Some fog forming by dawn, 56 overnight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, warm, 78.
Hi, Callie.
Gonna be nice. 74, sunshine. We could have some clouds and some showers and thunderstorms later in the day on Sunday.
You know what I'm recording, you don't really care. I'm just screwing around with this tape.
Call the 61 Country concert line at area code 913-677-6442.